How to reverse money on Capitec application. First of all, you have to launch the Capitec application in your mobile device. After that, you have to log in into your account using your secure credentials. Tap on sign in and then log in. Once you're logged in, now you have to navigate to the transactions or the payment section. You will find that in your home page if you navigate at the bottom of the interface. Tap on it in order to view your recent transactions. Then scroll through all of your transaction history and tap on the specific payment that you wish to reverse. Once you tap on your specific payment, there look for an option as reverse or request reversal button. Then tap on the button within the transaction details. After that, you have to follow the prompts to confirm the reversal. There, in order to confirm your reversal, you may be required to enter your PIN or provide additional authentication to authorize the reversal. So you have to follow all of the instructions and the prompts carefully. But you have to remember, not all the transactions are eligible for a reversal. So immediate payments are typically irreversible once processed. Therefore, you have to act quickly. The sooner you try to attempt a reversal, there is high likelihood of success. But if you are not able to find the reversible option, then you have to contact the Capitec customer support and then provide them with all the necessary transaction details and request assistance. So that's how you can reverse money on Capitec application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.